Hello, welcome to your Total IT Solutions Orientation Training. Hopefully, by the time we are done, we will have cleared up any confusion and answered any questions regarding your telecommuting position here with Total IT Solutions, and to make clear what Total IT Solutions expects from you as an independent contractor. The essential function of our nationwide information technology telecommute group, which you are a part of now, is to provide enrollment needs and support for our member accounts. Total IT Solutions was founded in the year 2000 and offers integrated technology solutions and computer services to large Fortune 500 companies, retail stores, small business, and restaurant organizations. Originally intended to serve the Winston-Salem, North Carolina Triad area, Total IT Solutions started as a one-person business. Since then, it has grown to hundreds of employees. Because of Total IT Solutions' integrity and outstanding quality of service the company provides, we have also acquired and continue to hold several prestigious IT consulting accounts, such as Kohl's and Target, to name a few. We also help to manage the recruiting, training, retention, benefits, travel time, quality of work issues, and overhead and other such activities that are part of being in business. We ensure quality with the following qualifications that include payments pending approval, installation assurance, a rating system for work performed, a cap on expenditures, and employee agreements. This past year, the owner of Total IT Solutions decided to add an additional information technology group to the company, and also decided to implement this group in a telecommuting environment that could help support the company's expanding business territories that Total IT Solutions continues to accrue, which is why we are actively seeking telecommute enrollment specialists who can provide for their enrollment needs for our member accounts. It is the role you as an independent contractor will fulfill for our company. Total IT Solutions was built upon creating an atmosphere of quality built upon hard work and integrity that we present to our business accounts. Part of our IT solutions is to provide our accounts with a unique domain structure where they can concretely build and brand their business with an internet domain that they don't have to compete with, something that is currently going on in the .com environment today. Because Total IT Solutions values as well as a unique business model to show all of our clients that you may be dealing with now or in the future. And as you advance through to account managers and ad recruiters, because we bring so much business value, our independent contractors, as you continue to help support Total IT Solutions and its mission to receive these commissions on the accounts that are placed under you or that you help us acquire. This is what is considered additional income, bonus, or vested income. As we have been creating this department within Total IT Solutions, we have run into some unsavory situations that have not only cost the company a lot of money, but also some very valuable accounts. So, before we start placing our business accounts under our independent contractors, we need to clarify and put some procedures into place before we continue. Therefore, this duties and responsibilities portion of this orientation that you are about to go through will need to have your undivided attention, as any violations will not be tolerated by Total IT Solutions, which will in turn cause the company to discontinue using your services as an independent contractor. So before continuing, I am going to give a clear definition of what an actual independent contractor is. An independent contractor is a natural person, business, or corporation that provides goods or services to another entity under terms specified in a contract or within a verbal agreement. Unlike an employee, an independent contractor does not work on a regular basis for an employer, but actually works as and when needed, during which time he or she may be subject to the law of agency or the terms and conditions of the company. Independent contractors are usually paid on a freelance basis. Contractors often work through a limited company, which they themselves own, or they may work through an umbrella company. In the United States, any company or organization engaged in a trade or business that pays more than the $600 to an independent contractor in 1 year is required to report this to the Internal Revenue Service, the IRS, as well as to the contractor, using a tax form 1099-miscellaneous. Which is why we at Total IT Solutions require you to fill out a W-9 during the hiring process. So, as independent contractors of Total IT Solutions, we ask that you act as upstanding quality representatives of our company to protect and help continue build our business brand. You will do so by abiding by the following duties and responsibilities that is now going to be presented to you. Your duties and responsibilities as an independent contractor are as follows. You are required at all times in performing this job to hold to the normal work ethic that you would display if you were to go to an actual corporate office, which means that in speaking with others, you will be respectful at all times. You will follow an established procedure to escalate a problem or complaint and will always complete all of your work assignments and return them on time. You are required to have a valid and working PayPal account that is linked to an active checking account or credit card. This is because Total IT Solutions pays you for the work that you do and would like to do so as quickly as possible. That's why we ask that you have a working PayPal account so that we can get this money transferred to you as rapidly as possible. Of 10 hours a week, which is a minimum of 2 hours a day or any other combination that will create 10 hours a week. Here at Total IT Solutions, we may not always have enough work to be able to keep everyone busy, so we ask that you keep yourself available should work come up quickly. You must email your completed invoices to accounting on Friday of every week. You are paid every other Friday. You are paid per entry and not hourly. And this was the wishes of the business partners who completed this with Total IT Solutions. They created a way that is fair for everybody to get paid for everything that they do. So, for the pay rates, please visit the online office where your web folders are located and click on the Agent Pay Rate portal of the document. What you are. You are an independent contractor for Total IT Solutions. That means that it does not render you an employee, partner, agent of, or joint venture of Total IT Solutions for any purpose. You are and will remain an independent contractor in relationship to Total IT Solutions. Total IT Solutions shall not be responsible for withholding taxes with respect to the contractor's compensation. An independent contractor shall have no claim against Total IT Solutions hereunder or otherwise for vacation pay, sick leave, retirement benefits, Social Security, workers' compensation, health or disability benefits, unemployment insurance benefits, payroll taxes, or employee benefits of any kind. When you agreed to work for Total IT Solutions, you signed a contract, which you agreed to a confidentiality of information. During the term of this agreement and following the termination of this agreement for a period of 1 year or as such longer period of time required by the client in the program documents, regardless of the time, manner, reason, or cause of such termination, an independent contractor shall not directly or indirectly disclose to any person, corporation, firm, or other entity the name, requirements, or other business information of any client of Total IT Solutions, other than as required to complete a work project. An independent contractor shall not disclose any confidential information concerning the business of Total IT Solutions or its clients that the contractor shall have acquired during the performance of any work projects. Independent contractors may not use any of the foregoing for their own benefit, except to carry out their responsibilities under this agreement and the work project documents. Upon termination of each project, independent contractors shall surrender to Total IT Solutions or their client as appropriate all of Total IT Solutions and the client's property in the independent contractor's possession or control, including any originals, copies of Total IT Solution records, client lists including any contact information, manuals, training materials and kits, financial information, any prospect client lists including contact information, client invoices, other contractor records, computer specifications and code, or materials relating to client accounts. All system specifications of the website, proposals, reports, computer software, data, and other information generated, modified, or purchased by Total IT Solutions, by contractor, or by others in relation to the work performed under this agreement shall remain the property of Total IT Solutions and or their clients, and shall not be considered the property of any contractor, and shall not be used by the contractor for any unauthorized purpose or in any fashion at all at any time after termination of a project. In the event that any contractor breaches this provision, the contractor may be enjoined and restrained from a continuing violation of this Section 6. Total IT Solutions is entitled to consequential damages resulting from breach of this Section 6 if you are found liable in a court of law. Independent contractors' duties and responsibilities continues as follows. If you do wish to work more, you can let a member of our Human Resource Department know, and we will do our best to distribute more work if it is available. Or, if you are not available to work, you can let a member of the Human Resource Department know. We ask that under no circumstances are you to call the company support line for this reason. You are required to attend the virtual office webinar every day, starting at 10 a.m. until 7 p.m., and that is Eastern Standard Time. You are not required to remain in the virtual office during this 9-hour period, but you are required to check in for at least 15 minutes Monday through Friday. This is because this is the place where we will pass out any important company information or updates to any of our training materials and so forth, and this is a meeting place where you can ask questions of your recruiter and get in contact with them. So this is a very vital place, and we ask that everybody attend at least for 15 or 20 minutes every single day. If you are unable to check into this virtual office, you can do one of the two following. You can advise the human resource team member of your situation, and either a new link to enter the virtual office webinar will be emailed to you, or the information that was distributed in the virtual office will be disclosed to you during this phone call. You can call the company 1-800 number and speak with an HR team member at any time. Again, under no circumstances are you to call the company support line for this reason. Every day you are required to check your online office web folder for work. If you do not see a file for the date that you are working, either log into the virtual office or call the company 1-800 number, option 3, to speak with an HR team member. If no work is available for a particular day, you are to check in periodically to the virtual office to see if the issue resulting in no work has been cleared up. During these times, work will be distributed through the virtual office for all those attending, or can be distributed by speaking with an HR team member, and the message will be delivered that no work is available for that particular day or that work is being passed out. Again, we ask, under no circumstances are you to call the company support line for this reason. If you are having a technical difficulty or other computer-related issue in completing your work assignment, you can use the following procedure to get help. You can call the company 1-800 number and speak with a member of the HR department. Or ask to speak to your recruiting team member, and if they are not available, you can advise the available human resource team member of your situation. And you can give them your telephone number, and the desktop support analyst will give you a call. If it is a minor issue and it is computer related, you can go into the virtual office webinar, and the desktop support analyst on the team will assist you. Again, under no circumstances are you to call the company support line for this reason. Under no circumstances are you a member of the IT Telecommute group team to contact the company support line. Our company support line is for our working field technicians and managers to resolve issues with our working accounts and other technical assignments. If you are unable to perform these duties and responsibilities and they are not met, you will be advised of the error by a member of our Human Resource Department. A first offense will result in a verbal warning from a Human Resource Recruiting Manager. A second offense will be a written report that will be filed in your contractor file along with a goal sheet to ensure that you can maintain your current job title. During this time, you will not be eligible for advancement or other responsibilities or bonuses. A third offense will ensure in termination from Total IT Solutions. Further, Total IT Solutions may immediately terminate your agreement and remove your contractor's name from the database for any one of the following reasons. If an independent contractor violates the policies of Total IT Solutions or its clients as amended from time to time. If Total IT Solutions receives negative feedback from a client or their customer regarding any work performed by our independent contractors. If an independent contractor provides false or misleading information or is charged of any crime relating to moral turpitude or fitness to perform services, they will be terminated. This also involves setting up an account with our virtual office domain. It needs to be a valid and working account so that you may perform your job responsibilities. If an independent contractor fails to complete a project or otherwise fails to satisfactorily perform the work given to them, they will be terminated. If an independent contractor's actions negatively impact Total IT Solutions' reputation or are a material breach of this agreement, will result in a termination of your services as an independent contractor with Total IT Solutions. We here at Total IT Solutions wish you the best of luck in your position, and we know that you will put forth your best effort to provide us with the outstanding service that Total IT Solutions gives. Thank you.